It is kind of an impressive sounding resume. I recognize that, but I would tell you that the only reason I'm standing up in front of you today with that kind of resume is obviously because of the people who reached out to me and mentored me when they recognized that I was a STEM student in the making way back in 6 and 7 years old. That I would not have the resume I have today if not for the fact that there were those around me who were encouraging me to pursue math and science at a very young age. My theme throughout my entire presentation today is really about the power and the empowerment of encouraging people at a young age to do math and science. So getting to the power of encouragement again, as we look to the future, the message I give to the young folks today, first of all, is that they're probably going to get to fly in space. I start with that because that gets their attention right away. Closer to that opportunity, if you really groom your math and science and engineering side, absolutely astounded by the talent and technological savvy of the team that I have under my command today. Do all that we can do in order to encourage these young people. They are absolutely our future. I don't think anyone in this room would disagree with that. We are behind on an international level. I don't think anybody in our future would disagree with that. Clearly, our president has made it an initiative to get out there and try to turn these trends around.
What is your most memorable experience while you were in space?
My fifth mission was not just to go up and down on the shuttle, but it was to actually go and be deployed to the International Space Station. Experience of living on a human outpost that was in a different place than Earth was, I think, the most memorable experience I had in the entire space. We all had responsibilities to make that little microcosm of society effective. We had a medical doctor. I was not actually a real medical doctor, but I played one on the space station. That's what I remember most about my experiences. So with that, I think that was my final question, and I thank you very much for your attention. On behalf of the Air Force, and on behalf, of course, as a senior leader in the area of STEM, on the STEM agenda, I thank you for everything you've done, and thanks again.